If you want to set up a secure folder on a Motorola Moto G56, all you have to do is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the security and privacy. Now over here, scroll down and then at the bottom go to more security and privacy and then choose secure folder. Press continue, keep tapping on this arrow and then press login. You need to choose your Google account because the secure folder has separate Play Store. So we need to use an account to access it. Over here now we need to unlock our device. So unfortunately in this case something went wrong. So let's go over here again. Let's see if I can use the pin code. So it seems that this is bugged for some reason. So let me just go back and I'm gonna use the fingerprint sensor for that. There we go. All right. Now you should be able to choose the password that you wish to have for your secure folder. There we go, we can choose one of the password types. So we have pattern, pin code, and password. In my case, I'm gonna choose a simple pin code. There we go, let's proceed. Enter the password again and then confirm. There we go, a bit laggy, but surely we are done. So our secure folder is now set up. If you go here for the first time, you will see that you can activate the recovery, and I'm gonna choose maybe later. We can also set up the fingerprint unlock. We can just simply enable it in order to be able to unlock the secure folder with the fingerprint. So you can press setup in order to turn it on over here. And yeah, our secure folder is pretty much done. We can find it in the app drawer. In my case, it is over here, so we can just tap here, and then as you can see, we can enter the password in order to proceed. If you want to add a new app, we can press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner, and then we have add apps. So you can add an app that you already have on your phone. If you want to install a new app that you don't have outside of the secure folder, but you wish to have it in the secure folder, then over here we have this Play Store icon, so we can tap here in order to open the Play Store. And whatever you install through this Play Store, it will be added to the secure folder only. We can tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to find some additional options. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.